If you have issues with mobile data on Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open the settings, and you want to go to more connectivity options at first in order to check if you have AirPlay mode enabled. I know this can sound silly, but sometimes we can turn on the AirPlay mode by accident, and we might not even be aware of that. So just check if it's accidentally not enabled. Besides that, we want to go to mobile networks. And in this case, first, the obvious thing, you want to make sure that mobile data is enabled. And secondly, if you have two SIM cards, then you might want to check which SIM is used for mobile data, because, for example, you might have no more mobile data available on another SIM card, so for example, you might need to switch to another one. So just make sure that the correct one is used. Also, what you can also do is you can go to the SIM card settings, and for example, if you have 5G disabled, for example, if you have LTE selected instead, you might want to switch to 5G, at least for now, temporarily, to see if that makes any difference. Besides that, if possible, you should also find if possible to find, you should also find the use mobile data during VoLTE calls on the secondary SIM, which sometimes can also interfere with mobile networks. So just to be safe, you can, for example, turn it off, once again, at least for now. Other than that, what I can also recommend you to do is go to Wi-Fi, and over here we can find network acceleration. And here we can find that we can use mobile data to boost the speed. So we can use both Wi-Fi and mobile data together when Wi-Fi connection is poor. So just for the sake of, trying different stuff, you can turn it off if it's enabled, of course, because there is a chance you don't have it enabled, so that's fine. But if you do, you can turn it off for now. And of course, remember to make a restart of your phone too. So if none of this helps, you can also simply restart or reboot your phone. You can also remove the SIM card from the SIM tray, or just remove the SIM tray temporarily and then put it back in the SIM, see if that makes any difference. But besides that, we can also go to more connectivity options again. And this time in here, you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Now in here, we can also choose which SIM you want to reset. This is available if you have two SIM cards active. So select the SIM which you use for mobile data, and then of course tap on the reset settings. Keep in mind that you will also reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you will erase Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices from your phone. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it, so you will have to reconnect to your Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi networks. Once that happens, you just want to go back to mobile networks and make sure that mobile data is on and that the correct SIM is used. And hopefully you have no issues with mobile data after watching this video. Subscribe to my channel.